Hello everyone, welcome to my FX video journal channel. As of now, in the 12th of May, these are the trades I have done so far. So I have here 8 trades and I am gaining 3.99%. First, we try to look into CAD CHF. For CAD CHF, I have a separate video for this one, part 1 of the video. Part 2 of this will be this video. CAD CHF, I gained 0.29%. I use this gain to offset my loss on the AUD JPY pair. So let us try to see right here, CAD CHF. CAD CHF, this is our entry at 0.75691. So as soon as the market goes down, we have this red candle right here. I mean this bearish candle. So just this Friday, I closed this position in order to offset my loss in AUD JPY. We have this chart right here, AUD JPY. As soon as I see this candle, this bullish engulfing candles, I was speculating the price would go up. I entered at 76.929 and this is my TP and my stop loss, but unfortunately the price just went down and this is a very bad trade. I have to close my position for I have to close my stop loss position for the meantime, so that I will not be out of the market. And then just what happened, it did hit my stop loss price, but as soon as it reaches my stop loss price, I close my stop loss, which is not good in trading. But luckily the price goes up again, and then I was able to right here, somewhere right here, I was able to have a very small loss, and that loss was being offset by my gains on the on my CAD CHF pair. Then we have another USD JPY. I have two trades for USD JPY. I was long in this position. Let us see the chart. USD JPY. So this is my trade for USD JPY. For USD JPY, I tried to end as soon as I see this large candle right here. I was hoping that the trade, I was speculating that the trade would go up, and it did, and indeed it begins to go up for the meantime. But then a few minutes later, the price just goes down and down and down, that it hits my stop loss. So luckily I was able to close my stop loss position, and I entered instead of having a stop loss, I put another buy limit trade right here. That's why I have two buy position in for a USD JPY pair. And then the price just went down and down and down and down. This is because during this day we have this, that was Friday, we have this report right here. We have the CPI month to month and core CPI month to month report, and FOMC member Brainerd speaks, and the value was clearly in red, so that may cause the price to go down momentarily. But then what happens is that the price around late in the evening in our time just suddenly went up. The price just went up, and And before the price just went up, since I have two buy positions already, I moved my TP at 109.808. 109.808. Where was that? TP. Yeah, my TP was already at 109.808. So for the first position, this was the 109.808 was the open price of my first position, of my first buy position, and then my second buy position for USD JPY was at 109.609. So I gained, for this trade I gained 2.14%. Euro AUD. For Euro AUD, let me see, Euro AUD. Euro AUD, where was that? Right here, Euro AUD. Okay, for Euro AUD, I was on the sell position. So I have this Fibonacci right here. It tries to break this this support right here. So a very big bearish candle breaking down the support, and I was hoping that there will be a pullback at around 61.8% level. So it indeed have a pullback, and then the price just goes down for a little bit, but unfortunately the price just went up and up and up and up, that I have to close my my stop loss again right here. If I have not been closing my stop loss, I would be out of the market, losing 1% of my trade. But before this thing happens, I already have closed my stop loss. That was not really a good trade. What caused that one? Let me see. We have some, because of some news. We have the that was not RBA. Let me see. This one. This is the. That's why the price went up, because of the news that came around. We have the retail sales month to month, which has, and the trade balance for the Australian economy, and the value was good. It was in green, so that's why the price went up. But then the price just went down. After a few minutes later, the price went down and have a swooping whoosh. We have this one up around, because there was around 12:30. AUD has increased its cash rate at 1.50, followed by the RBA's rate statement. The price just went down, and then before the price went down, I already moved my target profit at around 1.59377. So for now, AUD is in, let me see, oops. Euro AUD is up. So for Euro AUD, I was able to gain 3.20%. For NZD CAD, I also have a separate video for this one, part 1 of this video. Let me see, NZD CAD. NZD CAD. For NZD CAD, unfortunately, the price didn't went in our speculation. We have this falling wedge right here, but unfortunately, the price just went down and it hits my stop loss. So I lost at around almost 1% or 0.98% right here. For CAD JPY, I lost at 1.40%. It goes beyond my 1% risk. Why? Because during that time, CAD JPY, there was a gap. So it's useless having a stop loss here because there was no price. I mean, there were no buyers and sellers at this price. So the next day, what happens is that, I mean, the following week, that was Monday in here, price just opened at around in this area at around 82.03. Yeah, let me see. Price opened around at this area. So that's why my closing price was not in my stop loss price, which is 82.498, but rather my closing price was close price was at 82.11.11400. So that is why risking a small amount, say 1%, is necessary, especially during this time wherein we have gaps. Because if we will try to risk more and then we have gaps, it's useless having it's useless it is useless placing our stop loss price right here, because we will not be closing at our stop loss price, but rather at the opening of the candle, which is below our stop loss. Next we have Euro USD. I already have a separate video for this one. Euro USD, wherein I gain 1% for this one. So these are now, as of the moment, my trades for the month of May. Thank you for watching my video journal, and I hope you like it. Please click, if you find it interesting, you may click on the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video.